Good morning, Smart Coin family. Let's dive right into your morning pulse, where we break down the market in under 3 minutes. Today, we're starting off on steady ground, even with some macro landmines lurking. The ongoing controversy surrounding Fed Chair Jerome Powell is still making waves. President Trump recently mentioned he briefly considered removing Powell, which caused a bit of a stir in the markets. However, they managed to regain their footing overnight. Looking across the globe, Asia is showing positive signs with green across the board. The Nikkei is up 0.6%, Shanghai is up 0.4%, and the ASX is climbing by 0.9%. Over in Europe, futures are on the rise as well, with the CAC, DAX, and FTSE all gaining in pre-market trading. But keep an eye on the UK, where the labor market is sending out warning signals. Unemployment has hit 4.7%, the highest it's been in 4 years. Now, let's talk about the key drivers for today. First up is Fed Sentiment Watch. Investors are keenly observing any policy ripple effects that might arise from Powell's uncertain future. This could impact market sentiment significantly. Next, we have Earnings Watch, with two heavyweights in the spotlight, TSMC and Netflix. These companies could sway tech sentiment on a global scale. TSMC's AI chip business is crucial, and Netflix's subscriber growth will set the tone for the streaming sector. Their earnings reports could provide insights that extend beyond their individual performances. On the inflation front, traders are keeping a close eye on CPI signals from global commodity movements. Watch oil and metals for early clues about inflation trends. These commodities often give us a heads up on broader economic conditions. Shifting gears to crypto, Bitcoin is hovering around 118.7K. It remains range-bound but shows resilience. Ethereum is holding steady at 3.47K, bolstered by increasing smart contract usage and staking flows. Here's an exclusive smart coin tip for the day. Use tech earnings as a macro proxy. Don't just focus on whether companies beat earnings expectations. Pay attention to their forward guidance. Companies like TSMC and Netflix provide valuable insights that can act as early warning systems for both AI growth and consumer confidence. If Netflix hints at soft ad revenue or TSMC lowers its guidance, consider rebalancing away from high-beta AI stocks into diversified AI ETFs that come with built-in hedges. For those looking for more in-depth strategies, our BTC Accumulation Strategy white paper is now live, available exclusively for subscribers. As we look ahead to tonight, don't miss our evening wrap-up after the market close. We'll break down tech earnings, ETF flow shifts, and provide you with our Friday game plan. Stay smart, stay ready, and stay invested.